Hello everyone, I'm Sanju and I'm a software engineer and a mom to 4 years old. In mornings, I'm always in hurry to cook the meals, send my son to the school and start my office. So basically, the one focus is always in the morning is a protein rich breakfast. So today, the first recipe I'm going to show you is a super quick, healthy and protein rich. So what you need to take one tomato and cut it. After that, if you have the spring onions, you can use them to also wash it and chop it. Then I'm taking the egg. So basically, egg is rich in protein. So yes, it's always in my list for the breakfast. I crack the eggs, add some salt and pepper, and mix it well. So basically, if you will mix it well, it will not give that eggy smell, and your kids, if you are offering to kids, they might even like it more. So basically, you need to whisk it very well. So once you whisked it well, you need to put the pan on the gas and need to put some butter on the base. And once the butter is kind of melted, you can start adding the tomatoes we cut it in the round circle, like the way I am putting it. Once they are cooked for a few seconds, you need to add the egg the way I am adding and make it even on the pan. And then we will add these spring onions, and after that I am adding the cheese. So cheese will give it a very good taste. And after the cheese melts, see, the one thing you can cook it from one side also, but I like to cook it from both sides. So I'm cooking from the both sides, and after it is cooked, you can serve it with a ketchup, and trust me, it will taste so good. The feedback I got from my husband that it exactly tastes like the breakfast we do in hotel. Since we are making all these three breakfast recipes using eggs, so let's talk a little bit about how to choose a good egg brand. So the eggs I am using are from the Eggos. I have been using these for a while now, and one thing I really like is the orange yolk color. It looks rich and fresh when you crack it, and see, you can see it. And also, each egg gives you around 6.5 grams of protein, and protein is really important for our body. So it's very easy way to add good nutrition to your daily meals. For me, eggs are one of the simplest and most affordable option when you want something quick and healthy. And that's how you are seeing my all three recipes using eggs. One thing I have learned is that it's not about brown or white eggs. It actually depends on what the hen is fed. Good quality fed with grains and ingredients like vegetarian feed like rice, millet, soya, marigold extract, turmeric, paprika, etc. can make a difference. And another reason I prefer Eggos is because of their quality checks. Food safety is not just one time thing, and they do multiple checks along with third party testing, which gives me more confidence. Plus these are local farm fresh, so overall it just feels like a better choice for everyday use. If you are looking for a good egg brand, try Eggos. I'm sure you are going to love it. This brand is really good. And trust me, the third one is so good, and that is going to be your kids favorite if you will even try once. And the third recipe is the pancakes, and it's so easy, quick to make, and the most important, my son loves them. One banana, if you have ripened banana, that is even more good. So then you don't need to add anything extra for the sweetness. But if it is not ripened, then you can add little bit of sugar. So along with the banana, we are going to add one egg, and we are going to blend it well. So once it is blended, you need to take it out in a bowl and add some sugar, because my son prefers little sweet. And another thing, the banana I added wasn't ripened one. If it is ripened, then you can completely avoid the extra sweetness. And another thing, if your kid is below 1 year, just completely skip the sugar. After that, you can add a little bit of flour. I'm using wheat flour. You can add ragi flour, or even you can add the all-purpose flour, which I avoid for my son or even at my home. So whisk it well, mix it. It will be little tighter side, so you need to add a little bit of milk to make it runny flow. Because for our pancakes, we really need to make it runny. If you will add a pinch of cinnamon, it will really enhance the taste. And along with that, I am adding 2 spoons of sugar because my banana wasn't ripened. You can add pinch of baking powder also, and after mixing everything together and it's in flowy consistency, heat the pan, and once it is heated, After that, add it exactly the way I am adding it. Don't touch it, just add and let it cook. Once it is cooked, flip it. Oh my god, how good it is looking. I love this color actually. After that, I am adding little bit of honey on top of it. You can add some syrup if you have the maple syrup. So our pancakes are ready. I'm Sanju and he's my 4 years old boy Rudrans, totally loving his pancakes. So if you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.